You can't bring someone along to follow you under the context, hey, it's you and me. Now it's us 3, 4, 5, and plenty. That takes her feminine world and flips it the fuck around. What's even deeper is in every relationship, that feminine that feels that way, you have to actually be responsible. That's their childhood unhealed. That's their ideal of, I need to be somebody's one and only. And to guide feminine to even consider or process or work through the feelings of that conversation, because she immediately is gonna have the 50-foot billboard, danger, caution, lions, tigers, and bears, get the fuck out. That's the feeling. She don't know what the fuck that even means. She doesn't know that it's a childhood ideal of you gotta be a good girl, you gotta grow up to be a good woman, to find you a good husband, to take care of you. You gotta unpack and responsibly lead and contain all that shit. Listen to their feelings, which makes no fucking sense, and contain it to walk them through those feelings. That's what you have to do as a masculine lead, and we don't think with feelings. That's the world of fucking masculine containment.